So let us look at this question. Integration -4 to -5 e power x plus 5 whole square dx plus 3 times integration 1 by 3 to 2 by 3 e power 9 times x minus 2 by 3 whole square. So individually, if you look at each of these integrals, these functions, that is e power x square type of functions, cannot be integrated. We have never integrated functions like this. So what I do is, I'll try to convert the first function as well as the second integrand into integrals between the limits 0 to 1. I will try to convert both of these limits to a common limiting values. So first, this is a and b. So we have a formula: integration a to b fx dx is equal to b minus a times 0 to 1 b minus a into x plus a dx. So in the first integral, a is equal to -4, b is equal to -5. So b minus a is nothing but -1, right? B minus a -5 minus of -4 is -1. And b minus a into x plus a is nothing but -1 times x plus a is -4. So if you do the substitution, integration -4 to -5 e power x plus 5 whole square dx is equal to b minus a, that is minus of integration 0 to 1 f of minus x minus 4, that is you need to put minus x minus 4 in the place of x, is e power. So if you put minus x minus 4, you get 1 minus x whole square dx. So this integral is exactly same as minus of 0 to 1 e power 1 minus x whole square. So now let us go to the second integral. In this, a is equal to 1 by 3, b is equal to 2 by 3. So what is b minus a? B minus a is equal to 1 by 3. And what is b minus a times x plus a? B minus a is 1 by 3, so x by 3 plus a is 1 by 3. It is x plus 1 by 3. It is in the place of x, we just need to put x plus 1 by 3. So let us see what happens to the integral. So 3 times integration 1 by 3 to 2 by 3 e power. So if I send this 9 into the square part, you get 3x minus 2 whole square. 9, if it goes inside square root, it becomes 3. So 3x minus 2 whole square dx. That is equal to 3 times. This integral becomes b minus a times, that is into 1 by 3 integration 0 to 1 e power. So in the place of x, I have to put x plus 1 by 3. So 3x is equal to x plus 1 minus 2 is x minus 1 whole square dx. So this 3 and this 3 gets cancelled. That is equal to integration 0 to 1 e power x minus 1 whole square dx. The first part has become minus of integration 0 to 1 e power 1 minus x whole square is same as x minus 1 whole square dx. So as you can see, if you add these two, you're getting 0 as the answer. This part is exactly the opposite of this part. So the sum of these two is equal to 0.